Hello, my viewers. Welcome to Hoogar Social Academy. Now, let us move with the subject called as social science. As in my previous videos, I spoke related to know and to make the subject more easy. We must and should know regarding the weightage of that particular subject and the number of chapters, and each chapter consists of how many of marks. So when we know regarding the chapter and its weightage, it will make us more easy to understand and to read and make ourselves perfect for the examination. So exams are near, so this video will not help you for the preparation of your social science subject. Social science subject of class 10 standard Karnataka state syllabus, which consists of total 33 chapters with the 6 subtopics of social science: history, political science, economics, business study, sociology and geography. The social science subject, which is divided into two parts, first sem, second sem. For you, I have brought up the whole first sem as well as the second sem, but even this will help you to make yourself to divide the first sem as well as the second sem. So total number of topics which are being given in the first and second sem is total is equal to, from the history topic there are total 9 chapters are being given, from the political science total 4 chapters are being given, from the sociology 4 chapters are being given, from the geography total 10 chapters are being there, from economics there are 3 chapters, from the business study there are 3 chapters. Okay, so this mark 1 2 3 4, these are nothing but chapters. I have written in this way, it's because of all 33 chapters with the title in this whole board could not able to write it, so making it more little bit easy way, what I have did, one is nothing but it's a chapter. Okay, so total history, how many? 9 chapters are. So this is the table where I will make you to understand that each chapter from the subtopic, how much of weightage it is, right? Which will help us, which will help you to divide and give the importance according to the marks which are being allotted to it. Okay, so according to that we will go in. Now here, when we go to the history topic, total how many are there? Total 9 chapters are there. Okay, from the first chapter to the 9 chapters. So each chapter consists of how many marks it is. Now when we talk about the first chapter, here M refers to the marks. So first chapter is of 2 marks, second chapter 2 marks, third chapter 4 marks, fourth chapter 3 marks, fifth chapter 2 marks, sixth chapter is of 3 marks, seventh chapter is of 4 marks, big chapter freedom movement, eighth chapter it is of 2 marks, and ninth chapter it is of 3 marks. When we calculate these all, total history how many marks? It is of 25 marks. Total history it's of 25, means from the history subject you will get not less than 25 marks. Not less than 25 marks. So on the basis of this, it is been weightage is been done. In the same way, when we come here to the political science, again from the first chapter, total 4 chapters are being given, 1 2 3 4 each chapter. Now first chapter it consists of 3 marks, second chapter is again of 3 marks, third chapter is of 2 marks, and fourth chapter is of 2 marks. So total, when we analyze over this, total marks how much? 10. So from the political science, how much marks it is going to be as? 10 marks. Okay, there we will have the division: 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks and 4 marks on the basis of. But overall, when we say out of 4 chapters, political science, how many marks is going to be come for our exam? It's of 10 marks. Okay. In the same way, sociology topic, again here how many are there? 4 chapters are there. Again each chapter how much marks it consists? First chapter it is of 2 marks, second chapter is of 2 marks, third chapter is of 2 marks, fourth chapter is of 2 marks, total 8 marks. So our sociology consists of how many marks? 8 marks. Okay, when we come to the geography topic, total 10 chapters are there, 1 to 10 chapters are there. Every chapter its weightage. First chapter of the geography 2, second chapter 2, third chapter 2, fourth chapter 2, 5 chapter 2, 6 chapter 2, 7 chapter 2, what it is? 2 in the sense 2 marks. Okay, weightage it is. 8 chapter now it is. It's of 3 marks weightage. 9 chapter 3 marks. 10 chapter it is of 3 marks weightage. If we total calculate how much it is, 23 marks. So from the geography in our exam, how many marks going to be asked? 23 marks it is going to be asked. In the same way, when we come to the economics topic, total 3 chapters are there, 1, 2 and 3. First chapter it is of 2 marks, second chapter is of 3 marks, and the third chapter again it is of how many? 2 marks. So total how many? 7 marks it is. In the same way, when we go to the business study, now first chapter it is of 3 marks, and rest 2 chapters, second and third, will be of 2 marks is equal to 7. So from the business study we will have 7 marks, from the economics we will have 7 marks, from the geography 23 marks, from the political science 10, from the sociology 8, and from the history 25 marks it is. So when we plus 25, 8, 10, 23, 7 as well as 7, we will get to how many? 80. Total 80 marks question paper it will be there. Okay, so total how many chapters? Here written total 33 chapters are been there. So out of 33 chapters, in this way the division is been done. On the base of that, we will get the number of questions in the annual exam. Okay, so this is what related to the weightage of the questions. Now we will understand related to regarding the in what pattern the exam marks are being allotted, in on what pattern. You can have a small snap of this, which will later you can observe it and you can easily understand. So here the number, again I repeat, here the number which I have written, these are the chapters, and here the numbers which are written, that is the weightage of the marks. Okay, each chapter consists of, and at the end here with the blue mark, total number of, and when we calculate, you will get how many? 80 marks of the total marks you will get it. Now here we will now understand that our subject called as a social science is been asked in what pattern, in our annual exam or in our midterm exam. Okay, which will help us to what? Again to make ourselves to be perfect for our examinations. So here what we will go with the regarding the 80 marks of the question paper. Okay, now so our question paper which begins with the which one? With the MCQ. Okay, which we call it as a multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions, which will be of how much? 8. Okay, how many? 8. So 8 into 1 is equal to 8 marks. 8 into 1 is equal to 8 marks. Then comes it's a 1 mark questions. Okay, 1 mark. Okay, 1 line sentence or 1 word sentence. In this way question is been asked. Again how many questions? 8. 8 into 1 is equal to again 8. Okay, now next comes what? It's a 2 mark questions. Okay, the question will be asked in the form of answer the following questions in 4 to 6 sentences. So here again how many it will be asked? 8 questions will be asked. Again 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 8 into, this is what? 2 marks question. Okay, so here according to our history part or in geography or economics or business study, overall social science, all the answers you are going to write in a points you are going to write it. Then our next question will be asked of 3 mark questions. How many? 3 marks questions. How many? 9 questions will be asked. Okay, 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. How many questions will be asked? 9 questions will be asked. Then comes which one? About the 4 mark questions. Okay, how many questions? 4 questions will be asked. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. How many? 4 into 4 is equal to 16. How many questions will be asked? 4 questions will be asked. Dear, one more thing you have to remember here, it is that there will be no choice in the multiple, there will be no choice in the 1 mark, but you will get the choice in the 2 marks question, 3 marks question, as well as in the 4 marks question you will get the choice. So here in the multiple already 4 options will be given, you have to work on it. And in the 1 mark there will be no choice will be there, direct answers you are going to write, so there will be no choice. But in 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark you will get choice, one question you can alternate that question or that question you can write over it. And lastly comes what? Of map. One map will be asked, okay, map, which is the last end of the question paper. Okay, one map will be asked, but this map will be asked in the form, it is of 5 marks. Okay, how many? Sorry, here one question will be asked, but it will be 1 plus 4 is equal to total 5. 1 plus 4. Okay, draw an outline map of India and mention the following locations, points or the marks, points, location, any format the question will be asked. So only one will be there, one question. Okay, total marks how much? 5 marks. 1 plus 4. When we calculate these all, how much? 8, 8, 16, 16 plus 16, 32, 42, 52, 52 plus 59, 59 plus 16, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 4, 75, and lastly 5 marks. If you add, total 80 marks. Total how many? 80 marks. Okay, so in this way what it is been done, our exam, which one it is? It's a social science question paper. In this pattern it is being prepared. Again I repeat, multiple choice how many? 8. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 1 mark question 8. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 2 mark question 8. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 3 marks question 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 4 mark question 4 into 4 is equal to 16. And 1 map 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. In this pattern our social science question paper will be prepared. Okay. Further in my videos I will come with the very important questions which already I am explaining in my long videos. So number of chapters also been uploaded. You go with each chapter and important questions of that chapters also it is been added. Simultaneously for further more video lessons which I am going to upload, at the end of that chapter even you will get the number of important questions which can appear for the which one of your annual exam, which will help you for the preparation of your annual exam and also to take good marks, score good marks. And moreover in that taking a good marks with the in this way preparation will help you a lot to what to do to score more and more, and there is chances that you can have a good record of the marks. Out of 625 you can score up to 625 marks. Okay, so my further videos let me come with more number of chapters and the important questions and many more related to the way of preparation of the exams, to in what way we should handle. Okay, those things we will discuss in my further videos. Hope you will like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. More number of sharing will help not only to you, even to the others, those all who want to make the subject more easier and to learn regarding these patterns. Okay, so do more and more share of the channel and comment and let me know also that regarding any sort of other difficulties related to the subjects can be shared with you. Thank you.